Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest.
Alright, so what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode with Prostreet Mafia. Today we're doing something a little different. Not playing with LS's. I still got the LS sitting over there. I haven't done anything with it since the last video. But I ran into a little bit of a problem beating on my daily driver, which is almost faster than my old race engine build in my drag car. So tranny's gone, blew reverse out of it, second gear's gone, and as you can see from the beginning of the video, that nasty burnout finished the rest of it off. And don't give me too much hell on that. I had to lift. The neighbor was down at the end of her driveway when I was going by. I stood back in it after I passed her. I should have never lifted, but whatever. Either way, finished off the transmission. So I'm gonna do a video on the daily and what's done to this. It's a 24 valve Cummins 04.5, so it has the 325 HO 5.9. It's got a lot of stuff done to it as far as goodies. A lot of stuff I haven't done to it to prevent anything from breaking. It's got a fully built tranny. Did have, now it's gonna have another fully built tranny again. Second gen swap, 3-piece AFE manifold, 100 over Bosch injectors. That's a 68 millimeter Borg Warner turbo on there. What else did I have? What am I forgetting? I'm forgetting something. I'm not sure what I'm forgetting. It's got all auto meter gauges, boost gauge, EGT gauge, tranny gauge. That's pretty much it. Pretty cut and dry. These things make gobs of power. I got a fast, not a fast. I'm running an Air Dog 150 pump. My pops is running fast on his, but I'm running an Air Dog. That's pretty much all I got done to it. So she's got lockers. That's it. She weighs 7,800 pounds with me in it, and with it turned on the 160 horse tune, she runs a 13.1 in the quarter mile. So she's fast. She makes a lot of power to the wheels. And of course that's launching in 4-wheel drive. So yeah. But anyways, transmission's gone. I'm gonna lift this thing up in the air. I'll give you guys like a little quick walk around. I'm gonna lift her up in the air and yank the tranny out of it. And yeah, she's dirtier than hell, but she's a daily driver. She is a daily driver. I'll lift it up on the hoist and get this transmission ripped out of here. Can't wait to try to get all this rubber. Oh, see, that's why you do burnouts when your truck's dirty. All the rubber just wipes right off. It doesn't stick and melt to the side of the truck. That's pretty cat's ass. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we got her up on a hoist now. I just drained the fluid out of it, and you can still see just a little drip, so you can see how much metal is in there. So that's not good. That doesn't make me very happy, but hopefully it's just all clutched material. And yeah, that's a lot of metal shavings on the tip of that. It's a lot. Well, I'm gonna get back into this. I'm gonna drop the drive shafts. Once I get the T-case out, I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got going on from there. So, see you here in just a second. Well guys, I got the T-case out, drive shafts, all that good stuff. Got those laying right there on the floor. I just got the torque converter bolts out of the torque converter. Unbolting everything from the transmission right now. Getting ready to start loosening the ball housing bolts, and we'll go ahead and drop her down. I'm looking at I'm just trying to analyze everything. I actually got I broke my T-case, but it's kind of in a spot, I guess it doesn't really matter. Oh shit, I didn't break the T-case side. I broke the, sorry about that close up. I broke the overdrive side. Overdrive part of the train. Right there. So I'm going through and just double checking everything. I mean, she's nasty, but I blew these lines right here. I've blown them a few times. That's kind of what caused the second gear slip. It wasn't actually for me beating on it. I lost training fluid a couple times, but as you can see, that right there, I eliminated that stupid trans heater cooler $500 nonsense of bullshit. And it runs cooler that way, actually, believe it or not. And I have less issues because that little box did leak on me, and I did that a while back. But the hose that goes up top to your engine bay, it was kind of a gummy hose. Didn't listen to Pops when he was like, hey, you should probably change that. And I was like, you just forgot all about it, and I've blown it off. I blew it off once where the splice was in the hose where it blew the pressure out. I just cut it and put an adapter in the middle of it and put hose clamps on both sides. Well, one of the hose clamps was junk, and it was just good enough to where it wasn't leaking. So I babied it home, forgot all about it, drove it for 4 more days like that, and finally blew it off again, lost all my training fluid again. Hence, probably why second gear doesn't like me. And reverse band went out because I was on a little hill in the front yard, and I put her in 4 low because I was just trying to back up, and all I do is spin with these bald tires from doing burnouts. And put her in 4 low, and she popped the reverse band. They're pretty weak in these trannies. The 48 RE's got a pretty weak reverse band. But shut up, Malibu. Got the puppy dog going off. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to this and start yanking this tranny out, and I'll show you guys the underneath of the truck, show you guys the torque converter. I'm hoping this torque converter is built torque converter because it's not looking like it is. I just hope that this damn tranny doesn't cost me a small fortune, because if it does, my race car is going to go a whole lot slower. That's all I keep on thinking about, is if this thing costs a bunch of money, then I don't know what I'm going to do for the build. So, but alright, I'll get back to you guys here in just a little bit. Yep. As far as that goes, it's done. So, tranny's out, T-case, drive shafts, whole 9. I mean, kind of. I do have plans for this truck down the road. I mean, obviously right now, trying to build this race car for next year, I'm not really too worried about it. It's gonna continue to kind of be a daily, I mean, weekend beater, but more or less it's gonna stay daily. I'm not really gonna do anything with it until I get another truck. I'm not gonna get rid of this truck though. I got too much money into it now to get rid of it, and I still, yeah, won't even get into that. But yeah, training's out, so we'll get that to the training shop tomorrow. Hopefully in the next video I'll be giving you guys some good news. I'll give you an update on the training. I don't know if you guys are even interested in seeing this thing. I mean, I would think so. It's horsepower. If you're anything like me, I like anything with horsepower. I like quads, dirt bikes, and I don't mean Chinese quads and shit like that. No, I mean like, I like some badass Hondas, cows, Kawasaki's, Yamahas are junk. Stay the fuck away from them. KTM, Suzuki, anything but Yamaha, anything but Polaris. I know I shouldn't hate on Polaris. That's for a different video too. But anyways, it's a truck and it makes 700 rear wheel horsepower, so it's fucking impressive for being a daily driver truck. I don't give a shit what anybody else says, especially when I'm making that kind of power. And I can drive it every single day back and forth to work and get 17 miles to the gallon. Piss off. You don't like it, go find someone else to watch. So that's how I feel about it. I know a lot of people around here love this truck. A lot of people around here hate this truck, especially Honda guys around here. Honda guys just can't wrap their damn head around it. Fucking wheels and tires are bigger than your whole goddamn car, and it's still faster than it, sons of bitches. So, yeah, she's gonna be a sad, broke bitch for the next couple days. Get this trainee down to the trainee shop. Thankfully, the guy lives only 2 miles down the road from me. Coyotes are going crazy out there. Yeah, I didn't want to film everything just cause I had to listen to music to get through this. This isn't something that I enjoy. I don't enjoy R&R and trannies. It's obviously, this is why. It's fucking, I'm dirty. I know my face looks like I'm just rolling in nasty oil, trans fluid underneath the bottom of this truck. Someone's yelling at the dogs. I'll go ahead and show you the underneath of this truck real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. So, as far as we got there, I have no clue. That looks like a SFI flex plate. It doesn't look factory. The factory ones they don't look like, I mean, they're not all fucking anodized and shit. I found out why my floor is rotted out so bad on the bottom of this. It's got this damn fireproof shield, and it holds all the moisture in. So that fireproof shield's coming out of this damn truck ASAP. I might do something with this air dog pump. I might move it. I doubt it. She nasty. I need to roll it out in the yard and degrease it, but as far as the frame and everything else goes, this truck is solid as can be, except for obviously right here. Cab corners and rockers need to be redone, but the inners are still there to weld to, so it ain't too big of a deal. And then I got some box rot going on that I didn't have when I bought the truck, but what do you do? I mean, more than likely I'll probably just buy a new box. Anyways, my whole plan is to someday rip the axles out of it, leave springs, everything, and paint, base coat, clear coat, everything. The axles, the diffs, the track bars, probably brush the frame. It's gonna stay black, but I'm gonna actually sand it down. I'm gonna leave it black, but I'm gonna put, what is that called? Metal flake. I'm gonna put some blue metal flake in it and just cake it with some metal flake in the clear, so that way it kind of gives it like a blue, basically like a blue black blueberry flip-flop effect in the sun. But someday I'll just leave it like this for right now, so that way I can haul the race car, and if someone gets mouthy with a slow car and they don't want to race the race car, I unhook this from the trailer and collect my 200 and pass go, if the tranny doesn't blow up anymore. Hopefully not. I just hope that this doesn't cost a small fortune, like I said before, because that's gonna irritate the shit out of me if I can't buy the parts that I want to buy for this engine. Yeah. But, all right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off on this one. Go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more of the truck, want to see me put the tranny back in it, I'll put the tranny back in it. And for all of you that stayed tuned this far, that wasn't just a picture in the thumbnail. I'll go ahead and let it rock with the actual video of me burning the tranny down in the street. So, alright guys, y'all have a good one.